Hello everyone, welcome to the HSK Level 2 Standard Course Lesson 11. 他比我大3岁. He is 3 years older than me. So this is the third class of Lesson 11, and in today's class we will focus on grammar part. So in this class, I can tell you in advance there will be 2 grammar parts waiting for us. Okay. Alright, so now let's move to the grammar part 1. A verb used as an attributive modifier. Okay? The explanation is when a verb or a verb phrase is used as an attributive modifier, the should be put between the modifier and the word modifier. 什么意思? I think you'll be clear through these examples. Okay? So here, attributive modifier with the with a word modifier. This is the phrase form of the attributive modifier. Okay, so now let's just go through these examples. 第一个新买的自行车 Okay, this phrase 新买的自行车新意思是 new 买 is to buy. So 新买 that means new buy. The I can tell you need to translate the as in as. So new bikes 自行车意思是 bike. I hope you don't forget. Okay. So 新买的自行车意思是 new bought bike. New bought plus s plus bike. So new bought bike. Okay. Well, you can use another thing, but it is not an attributive modifier, but I think it helps you to understand better. Okay. The other saying is a bike which bought lately. This form. Okay. Alright, example 2. 我妈妈做的饭 Okay. 我妈妈 that means my mom 做意思是 to do something or to make something. 饭意思是 food. So 我妈妈做的饭 in English, my mom made food. Together, my mom makes food. My mom makes food. Or the other saying, you can say the food which is made by my mom. But today we are learning attributive modifier, so I prefer to use my mom makes food. Okay. 好 example 3. 第三个和你一起唱歌的人好和意思是 and or with 一起 together 唱歌 remember to sing 你 is you, so with you together singing 的人好意思是 sing with you together's person. So sing with you together's person. So that's the attributive modifier in Chinese. Okay. 好 these are 3 examples. 跟我读新买的自行车，我妈妈做的饭，和你一起唱歌的人。Alright,好 that's all for the grammar part 1. I think this is not hard. This is definitely not difficult for you. Okay? So just remember, whenever you see this form in Chinese, remember, we need to translate the for us, this one, okay, us. As long as you remember this one, I think this attributive modifier in Chinese is not a problem for you. 好 now we can move to the grammar part 2, the 比 sentence. 什么意思? A 比 sentence is a sentence using 比 to make a comparison. Well, generally speaking, the 比 sentence is a comparative sentence. Okay? And the predicate of the sentence can be an adjective. 好 For examples, and this is a basic form. Pay attention, this is just the basic form because in the next few pages we have other forms. 好 The basic form is A, B, B with an adjective. 好 Example 1. 哥哥比弟弟高。哥哥比弟弟高什么意思啊？哥哥意思是 elder brother， 弟弟意思是 younger brother， 高意思是什么？ We learned it in, I remember, in the Lesson 3 of Level 2. 高意思是 tall. 好 Here 哥哥比弟弟高怎么说 in English? If you remember, I think you are able to make this English sentence by yourself because I showed you in the last class with maybe 2 sentences, maybe. So, elder brother is taller than younger brother. See, subject A, first place. Adjective, second place. B, third place. And subject B is the 4th place. So 哥哥比弟弟高 Elder brother is taller than younger brother. 好 Example 2. 今天比昨天热。今天 and 昨天 I think we know these two already. 今天 today. 昨天 yesterday. 热 I hope you still remember this one. 热 and 冷 or 不冷不热 Does these words remind you anything? 热意思是 hot, 冷意思是 cold, and 不冷不热 neither cold nor hot, which is the weather is just good. So 热 is hot. Okay, so 今天比昨天热怎么说 in English? Today is hotter than yesterday. See, that's how the Chinese works. 今天比昨天热。Example 3. 面条比羊肉便宜。面条比羊肉便宜。面条 noodles. 羊肉 remember? 羊肉 is a kind of meat and is mutton. 便宜 cheap or inexpensive. 好 So noodles is cheaper than 羊肉 than mutton. Okay, mutton. 好 So just remember, this is the basic sentence form of a comparative sentence. A, B, B plus adjective. Okay? Alright, now we're done with this page. We can move to the next page. Here. A 没有 B is a negative form of a B sentence. See this sentence form. A 没有 B with adjective. So there's nothing changed but 没有 B into 没有, and this is a negative form. And pay attention, the meaning has totally changed. Okay? See, same examples. Okay. 哥哥没有弟弟高。哥哥没有弟弟高，什么意思啊？ The elder brother is not taller than younger brother. Elder brother is not taller than younger brother. So literally B, we just change B into 没有 Okay. Example 2. 今天没有昨天热 And the meaning is today is not hotter than yesterday. Okay. Example 3. 面条没有羊肉便宜没有 So noodles is not cheaper than mutton. which is noodles is more expensive than mutton. That's odd. 好 So this is the native form of a comparative sentence. And we just change 比 into 没有. This is not difficult at all. Okay? 跟我读 these 3 examples. 哥哥没有弟弟高。好，第二个，今天没有昨天热。第三个，面条没有羊肉便宜。好 That's the native form of the comparative sentence. Now we can move to the last page. Okay? The last page. Here. When describing the difference between things, a specific number is used to specify the difference. And this is the sentence form. I mean, from here to here, this is the basic form. And now, because we are adding some amount, which is a quantity phrase, so we just put this at the end of the sentence. Okay? At the end of sentence. Example. 哥哥比弟弟高2厘米. So all things from here we've learned. And the only thing that we haven't gone through is the last line, this line. Okay? Here. 2厘米什么意思？厘米 Trust me, we have learned this word. 厘米 means centimeter. 2厘米 2 is a number, which is number 2. So 2 centimeters. Okay, so can you tell me the English version? Elder brother is 2 centimeters taller than younger brother. So that's how we say this comparative sentence with a quantitative phrase. It's not hard. Example 2, 第二个，今天比昨天热3度3度3 as we know is a number which is number 3. 度 remember? 度 think of this word. 度 degree so 3度 3 degrees. Okay, so the English is today is 3 degrees hotter than yesterday. And in Chinese we say 今天比昨天热3度. 好 Example 3. 面条比羊肉便宜5块。5块什么意思？5块5 5块 is a Chinese currency, which is 5 Chinese currency. And CNY, I can tell you from this moment, CNY stands for the Chinese currency. Okay? So in the future, whenever you see 5 CNY, that means 5 Chinese X currency, which is yuan or 块. 好 So noodles is 5 CNY cheaper than mutton. And in Chinese we say 面条比羊肉便宜5块. Alright, that's how we use a comparative sentence with a specific number, with a specific amount of number. 好，跟我读 one more time. 哥哥比弟弟高2厘米。第二个，今天比昨天热3度。第三个，面条比羊肉便宜5块。Alright, so that's all for the comparative sentence, the 比 sentence. I can tell you, the 比 sentence is really important in this lesson, and even in the whole level 2 class, okay? Because if you keep learning, you will see a lot of sentence formed with 比 sentence. And if you don't know how to use it, then maybe it is going to be difficult. It is going to be a difficult problem for you in the future. So you better have a better understanding from this moment. Alright, so that's all for today's class. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at lesson 12. Bye.